It's now time for our restaurant spy. A million debates have raged the world over on how fresh and how healthy the food at Subway really is. We get a nutritionist to build the best sandwich that'll help you fight fat and build muscle. Enjoy.
When it comes to a quick meal, there's nothing better than a sub. But is it actually healthy? I'm at Subway today, waiting for nutritionist Lavneet Batra, and she'll be here any minute. Let's see what she picks.
For one veggie delight with cheese and one veg shami with honey mustard and mustard dressing. In veg, I've ordered veggie delight. It comes with cheese, and I have ordered veg shami. This is with honey mustard dressing. So I would go for veggie delight. It's a better option. It is 150 calories less and it's lower in fat. So whenever you're going for a veggie sub, make sure you either choose either honey mustard, sweet onion, red chili or barbecue sauce, or opt for a slice of cheese, especially for diabetics, since the dressings might be high in sugar.
And I thought cheese was a complete no-no, but Lavneet has changed my mind.
This is roasted chicken, and here we have teriyaki chicken. I would go for roasted chicken because it's lower in calories, and as you can see, it doesn't come with a teriyaki sauce, which can add up to your sugar intake. As far as bread is concerned, go for the whole wheat or honey oats whole wheat bread because it gives you double the amount of fiber as compared to the other breads. It doesn't really matter if you toast it or not, the calorie intake still stays the same. Mayonnaise in Southwest has 3 times the fat as compared to sweet onion, barbecue or red chili sauce. So you might want to go easy on that. There's a popular belief that salad equals healthy, but there is a possibility you can go wrong with your salads as well. Here we have tuna salad and chicken ham salad. As you can see, the tuna salad comes with a premix of mayo, and this is chicken ham with honey mustard dressing. I would definitely go for the chicken ham salad because it is a lot less in calories. Also, it is a lot less in fat. Whenever you're picking a salad, make sure you choose vegetables of at least 3 different colors. Every color signifies a pigment which can be beneficial for your health. It's easy to be tricked with health halos. As long as you're not on seafood diet and eating everything you see, you can have a healthy eat out.
I've taken Lavneet's tips and ordered a new healthy sub for myself, and I hope you do too the next time you're at Subway.